Hi guys, ituturo ko naman guys ngayon ay yung iris ng Go-Go Dolls. And so start muna tayo sa intro. So bali yung intro ito guys, dito natin kukunin yung B minor. Ayan. Sa 7th fret, ayan. 7th fret, 6th string, tapos 3rd string, tapos 1st string. Tapos i-mute natin ito guys. Ayan. So ganito yung tunog. Tapos sunod na chords ay B minor 9. Tanggalin lang natin itong yan. Tapos lagyan natin ito. Ayan. Yan. So ganito. Down, up, down. Tapos G. Tapos G7 major yata ito. Yan. Parang ganito lang guys. Ayan. Okay, so strumming pattern. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Ayan. Strumming down, down, up. Down, up, up. Down, up, down. Okay, so ayan. So, yung verse na ay D. Ayan. E minor 7. Ayan. Tapos G. Meron siyang B minor. Tapos E sustain 2. Ayan. Dalawa lang sa gitna. Yung 3rd at 4th. Ayan. Okay. Strumming down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up. Yan, okay? So, let me give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel somehow. You're the closest to heaven that and I don't want to go home right now. Okay, another verse, ganun pa rin. And all I can do is moment. And all I can bring is your love. Sooner or later it's over. I just want to go home right now. Okay, so pagdating sa chorus, yung chords B minor, E sustain 2, tapos G. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand where everything needs to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And then an intro. Okay, so yun na guys. Ganun lang tugtog yung iris ng Go-Go Dolls.